Okay, once again, we are going to be doing dots like we did last time, this time with different colors, green, purple, some people call it violet, and blue. And I want to remind you to flip your plate over and try writing your name on the back. Do the best you can to write your name on the back. And then also write your class code. Your class code is the grade you're in, which is kindergarten. K, down, in, out. And your teacher's name. Like if you have Mrs. Schmidt, it would be SCH, or KSH for Shahan, KW for Wunsch, and KT for Mrs. Tendali. So write your class code and your name on the back, then flip it over and use the caps and make more dots. And just like our artist George Seurat that you saw in his picture of the Sunday afternoon in the park, I want you to try to do your best to cover now all the white spaces that you can. So you can randomly put your dots anywhere, and in this time you might want to use the flat end of the cover so you don't make circles and you make dots. But see if you can cover all the white spots with dots. And it's going to be a little bit tricky on the sides here where there's a ridge. You see how it doesn't go on very nicely, so you could try to press in if you want, but for sure in the middle, see if you can fill all the white areas with dots the best you can. And I'm going to switch to a new cap for blue. Remember that if you get paint on your fingertips as you're dipping it in, if you get paint on your fingers, make sure you don't wipe it on your clothes. Have a paper towel handy to wipe it on so that you don't get your clothes messy. But I'm filling in all these areas with dots. Now what you don't want to do is get impatient and start scribbling like this. Okay, please don't scribble on it, just make some dots and some circles. This is going to be our dotted painted paper, and we're going to do different types of painted papers later where you might be able to get to paint more like that and leave some cool marks in a more free-for-all way. So go ahead and do your dots in these colors on this plate, and then upload a picture when you're done. Thanks.